Hello, welcome to another tutorial with Aaron. Happy New Year to everyone. And this is going to be the first uh, video tutorial for a song. And today we're going to be doing a song by, is this Sunmisola? I pray I mention the name well. And then the title of the song is Bola, Bola. Yeah. So, I'm going to be playing it in the key of B flat. Okay. And some of you will see some videos in my channel. It's only for members. And I said this from the beginning of the year. There are some things I need to do. I need to set up a studio. I need funds to do it. So for my intermediate videos, I'm not making it free. And that little token will go away into buying equipment like a new headset, speakers, and a lot of gears I need for recording. So let's get into the song. And the intro is going to be like this. So you're going to be playing it with a 6 and then a 4 and then a 1. Then you play the second one, a 4, 5 and then 1. Now there is something this year I'm not going to be doing. I'm not going to be explaining that much. If you want explanation, the beginner level is there, and I've explained everything I need to explain there. Go and learn it. This 2025. All 12 keys are in my playlist. Go and learn it. So I'm not going to be doing much this year. You understand? All right. So it's going to be like this. So the progression of the song is a 6, a 6, and then a 4, and then a 1. Then it moves to 4, 5, 1. Basically, that's the whole progression of the song. So let's play. That's the whole song. And if you listen to the song and then you listen to this, you realize that that's the whole song. So it's a chord 6, 4, 1. Then you move to 4, and then a 5, and then 1. All right. So my tip for you this week, for those who always want to have your piano tone to be like my own, get a piano and then a pad. those two should be okay. But for me, I'm using a computer tone, so I have four of them, stack upon each other. So when you hear this, there's a piano, two pianos, and two parts. All right, different. Yeah. So see you. Bye bye.